When it comes to weight loss, it can be easy to assume you know how to do it on your own. Losing weight is challenging, especially when you feel like you are doing everything right but not seeing result. By now, most people are aware that you need consume fewer calories and exercise more in order to lose weight. But if you are not seeing any positive changes, it could be that you are following misguided advice. Here are common mistakes people make when trying to lose weight. Number 1, not eating enough fiber. Carbs are often considered the enemy of weight loss. However, not all carbs are equal. Fiber is a complex carb that helps you lose weight by keeping you feeling full for longer, reducing craving and overall calorie consumption. Fiber also add healthy guts functioning. Eat plenty of vegetables, fruits and whole grain throughout the day to get more fiber and other important nutrients. Number 2, not eating enough protein. Getting enough protein is important if you are trying to lose weight. In fact, protein has been shown to help with weight loss in several ways. It may reduce appetite, increase feeling of fullness, lower the amount of weight regained, maintain or increase metabolic rate, protect muscle mass during weight loss. A review also found that high protein diets contain 6 to 8 gram of protein may benefit appetite control and change body composition. To help with weight loss, try to make sure each of your meal contain a high protein food. Keep in mind your choice of protein is not limited to meat or dairy. Beans, legumes, quinoa and flaxseed are also great and affordable options. Number 3, not tracking your food intake. One common mistake people make is not tracking their food intake. This can make it difficult to see where you're going wrong and can lead to overeating. There are a number of ways to track your food intake. You can use a food journal, a calorie counting app, or even just a simple pen and paper. Number 4, overlooking hydration. Drinking plenty of water keep your metabolic rate high, reduce hunger and promote digestion and overall health. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water each day. You may need more water in hot weather and during physical activity to contract the fluid loss that occur with sweating. Number 5, avoiding fats. Although it is important to monitor how much fat you are eating, you should not be eliminate them completely from your diet. How much and what type of fat you eat are important when it comes to losing weight. Omega-3 fatty acid found in fish, nuts, seeds and help keep satisfied for longer and boost your fat burning rate. Number 6, eating too much salt. While salt is go-to for adding flavor to low-calorie meals, too much salt can lead to water retention, which may show in increased body weight. Moreover, excess salt can lead to health problems such as high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. Number 7, allowing too many cheat meals. You stick to your diet the whole week, but then comes the weekend. Mindlessly eating on Saturday and Sunday may completely nullify your calorie deficit during the week, which may interfere with your weight loss effort. Number 8, not eating whole single ingredient foods. One barrier to weight loss can eating a lot of highly processed food. Human studies suggest that processed food may be a major factor in the current high rate of obesity and other health problems. Some researchers believe this could be due to their negative effect on gut health and inflammation. In addition, whole food tend to be self-limiting, meaning they are harder to overconsume. By contrast, it can be easily to keep eating processed food even when you are no longer hungry. When possible, try to choose whole single ingredient food that are minimally processed. Number 9, understand sleep and weight loss. Getting an ample amount of sleep is essential for optimal weight loss. Poor sleep has been shown to lead to an increased risk of obesity, weight gain, metabolic disorder, and chronic health problems. Furthermore, not getting enough sleep has been shown to increase appetite while lowering metabolism, which can make it almost impossible to lose weight. Getting the recommended 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night can be added in your weight loss effort. Getting enough sleep begins with creating an environment for sleep, which include lowering the temperature of your bedroom by a couple of degrees, using room darkening blinds or curtains, going to bed at the same time each night, and turning off all electronics 2 hours before bedtime. Increased stress also affects. Finally, get up at the same time each day to help reset your circadian rhythm so you can get a full night's sleep. Number 10. Not seeking professional advice. When it comes to weight loss, it can be easy to assume you know how to do it on your own. However, many people find that they are not following the right type of diet or exercise to get results. You may even have underlying conditions such as Cushing syndrome or thyroid disease that can affect your ability to lose weight. Do not hesitate to seek the help of qualified professionals such as dietitians, doctor, and physical trainer to make sure you are planning the right diet and exercise program that suit your individual needs. Number 11. Not exercising regularly. Exercise is essential for weight loss. It helps you burn calorie and build muscle. Aim to get at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most day of the week. Number 12. Giving up too easily. It's important to remember that weight loss is a journey, not a destination. There will be setbacks along the way, but it's important to keep at it. If you make mistake, don't give up. Just pick yourself up and start again. I hope this video has helped you to identify some of the common weight loss mistakes that you might be making. If you are looking to lose weight, remember to set realistic goals, track your food intake, eat plenty of protein, get enough sleep, exercise regularly, drink plenty of water, and don't give up. Thanks for watching.